Hello, hello everyone. How are you all? Hope everyone is good. Today is the last day of our mega workshop. For the past 2 days, we were doing on. I have taught you on canvas, then on drawing sheet. Today's article we will be doing on cloth. This is the article which we are going to which I am going to teach today. This is roses on. This is the simplest form of roses on the fabric. Let us wait for 2 minutes. Let people join in. I'm not able to see any comments. Can someone give me a thumbs up? Is everything audible and visible? Is the workstation audible? Am I audible and visible? Hello, Siddhi ma'am. Can someone give me a thumbs up that am I clearly audible to everyone? Siddhi ma'am, can you just drop a message in the group that I am live, please? Because I'm just able to see 4 people live. And if the participants will be less, so I'll not be able to save the video. Thank you, Shama ma'am, for your thumbs up. Hello, Shweta ma'am. It's 4:05 in my watch. Should we wait for the participants to come, or should we start our live session? I think we should start. No problem, people will join in. This is the article which we are going to do today. These are the simplest roses which we can do. Hello, Anu ma'am. I'm removing this. We need to tight this by stretching it. Stretch it from the sides. I got messages for the tracing of today's article. तो आज का आर्टिकल भी मैं पहले ड्रॉ करना सिखाऊंगी, तो वो आप लोगों को इजी होगा कि कैसे बनाना है आपको. Just give me a minute please. जैसे कल हमने स्टार्ट किया था, वी स्टार्टेड विद द सर्कल्स. तो इसके अंदर भी हम यही करेंगे कि हमें सबसे पहले ये देखना है कि हमें अपनी प्लेसमेंट ऑफ रोजेस कहाँ पे रखनी है. जैसे इसके अंदर जब मैंने बनाया है, इट इज सॉर्ट ऑफ अ बुके. हेलो सलोनी मैम. कल आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द नेम, मेरे पास एक जो सबमिशन आया था उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम थी कि जैसे अगर आप देख रहे होंगे तो ये जब फ्लावर्स हम कभी भी ड्रॉ करते हैं तो द फ्लावर्स आर ऑलवेज इन अ बंच, और जब बंच होता है तो यहाँ पे वी हैव टू शो डिफरेंट स्टिक्स. हम इन सारी स्टिक्स को इकट्ठा नहीं कर सकते हैं. अर्लियर आई आल्सो यूज्ड टू डू दिस मिस्टेक, और मेरे उनको बोलने पर उन्होंने शी करेक्टेड इट. आई थिंक अनुपमा मैम थी या आई डोंट रिमेम्बर कौन था, बट शी करेक्टेड इट. मैं ग्रुप में शेयर करूंगी. एंड शी गेव अ टाई इफेक्ट हियर, बो इफेक्ट हियर, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. बट ये जब भी आप रोजेज या कोई भी फ्लावर करते हैं तो मेक श्योर कि इट इज अ बंच, इट इज नॉट अ सिंगल फ्लावर. अब इसके अंदर मैंने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 फ्लावर्स किए हैं. हेलो सुषमा मैम. अब first we need to plan our article where we want to create the roses. Wherever we want to create the roses, we have to draw a circle. For the circle, you can take the cap. Wherever you want to feel कि you have to make the rose, you have to. Sorry guys, एक फोन आ गया था, फिर लाइव कट गया था, शायद इंटरप्ट हो गया था. And if you are good at freehand drawing, so you can create freehand drawing also, freehand circles also. I think. Hi Tanishka. We are done with 3 9 flowers. I have created 9 circles. Now we will be starting off with our article. Here I have used teal blue. Now I will make the flowers with red color. For that I will be needing red and white. Hello Gayatri ma'am. Just 1 minute, I should take my OHP sheets. Just give me a minute guys, I'll get the OHP sheet for the color mixing. शायद नीचे गिर गई है. Sorry. Today the flower is it is a one-stroke flower. This flower is actually a one-stroke flower, but I'll not teach you in one stroke क्योंकि बहुत सारे मैंने देखा है कि ग्रुप में लोग जो है वो बहुत नए हैं तो अभी उनका हाथ सेट नहीं है उतना. First I am taking white color in the palette on my OHP sheet. गायत्री मैम, हाउ आर यू नाउ? अब आपकी तबीयत ठीक है? आई एम टेकिंग थोड़ा सा 2 drops ऑफ रेड कलर. पहले मैं आपको रफ में बताती हूँ कि मैंने क्या करना है इसके अंदर ताकि आपको इजी हो जाए, ताकि आप समझ पाओ कि मैं कर क्या रही हूँ. हमने एक सर्कल बनाया है और हमको फ्लावर की शेप देनी है इस टाइप से. तो हमें अपना ब्रश इस अकॉर्डिंगली चलाना है. मैं दोबारा बताती हूँ, ये एक सर्कल है और हमने इसको यहाँ तक एक्सटीड करके ये हमने एक ट्रायंगल फॉर्म ट्रायंगल ओवर हियर, तो जिससे ये रोज का इफेक्ट आएगा. चलो वी शुड स्टार्ट विद द कलर. मैंने सबसे पहले अपना ब्रश जो है वो वाइट में डिप किया. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डूइंग ऑन फैब्रिक एंड ड्राइंग शीट और कैनवस इज हमें थोड़ा सा कलर जो है वो पतला करना पड़ता है व्हेन वी यूज ऑन फैब्रिक. हम फैब्रिक पे थिक कलर करेंगे तो वो इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा. I am starting with the strokes on the top. Always try कि आप टॉप से स्टार्ट करो. अगर आप बॉटम से स्टार्ट करोगे तो यहाँ पे जब करोगे तो आपका कलर मर्ज हो जाएगा. हमने एग्जैक्टली हाफ जो हमने मार्किंग दी थी, the point where we have marked, I have exactly half I have covered with white. Now I am holding this brush in my hand and and I'm taking another brush. I've taken the color on the tinge of the color on the above portion of the bristles of the brush, and I'm starting from here. And I'm creating a circle. Guys, believe me, this is the easiest technique you can do the rose. अब आपको यहाँ पे एक white line छोड़ के you need to merge it. Now again I'm dipping my brush into white and I'm starting from here, and I have to create this curve effect. And I will cover the whole thing, whole circle. हमें ये वाला कर्व ऐसे क्रिएट करना है. I hope you guys are able to understand what I am doing. You need to create this curve. I'm cleaning my brush क्योंकि उसके अंदर थोड़ा पिंक आ गया है. I'm dipping it again in white, and now I'm taking a curve from here. To give the shape. I don't know today why my things are just falling off. These two brushes are in my hand. I have not washed it. Then I've taken this white color in a very neat new kind of brush, and now I am giving a white line over here so that इसका difference पता चले. अभी the color is wet, that is why you are not able to see it properly. And from here also I am giving the effect. The base of our flower is ready. Single stroke, Gayatri ma'am, what do you mean by that? You mean one stroke? One stroke definitely. I'll last जो two बचेंगे I'll teach on one stroke. My leaves will come from my bouquet will come from this part. Starting of my bouquet is from this part. तो जो मुझे फेस करने हैं फ्लावर्स के वो उस हिसाब से करने हैं. क्योंकि whenever you do flower patterns, you need to know what is the from where it is moving. अगर आप एक फेस इधर कर दोगे, एक फेस इधर कर दोगे, तो वो ठीक नहीं लगेगा. आपको फ्लावर्स के जो फेसेस है वो बहुत प्रोमिनेंटली देखने पड़ेंगे. जैसे अब ये फ्लावर मैंने इस फेस करा है, ये वाला फ्लावर मैं यहाँ इस साइड पे इसका फेस करूंगी. हेलो सुप्रिया मैम. Half circle are done. I'll take red in the brush, starting from the center and spread it in a circular motion. Half of the flower is done. Now I will create the pattern again. Starting from here. दोबारा से you fill it with white. हमें यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी लाइन ऐसे करनी है कि जो विजिबली वाइट हो, जिससे हमें पता चले कि जो पेटल लाइट इज टर्निंग फ्रॉम हियर. हेलो ईशा मैम. फ्रॉम हियर अगेन I'm overlapping this and then I'm covering it. And in the end, we'll do our white part again so that everything is visible. इस पोर्शन को थोड़ा सा डार्क कर रही हूँ टू हाईलाइट इट. Give an altogether a different look to the article. It is completely your choice. You want to create this kind of thing or not. It is completely your choice. Because when it will get dry, it will go to, you will get a very good result by doing this line. Its face was here. Now this flower, its face will be here. here. So you have to color like this. You have to give a half line like this. जिस तरफ यू आर मेकिंग द फेस उस तरफ उसका हाफ लाइन देनी है. Taking a tinge of red color in my brush and again merging it. And thank you so much guys for your good wishes and blessings. Yesterday I received a lot of blessings and I was actually very happy. Again we'll start from this end and we'll make a curve like this and we'll spread the color. From this end. Ma'am, these rose flowers, Gayatri ma'am, are usually created in one stroke. But I am not doing in one stroke. One stroke से मैं भी आपको बताती हूँ कि कैसे create होते हैं. Last के जो दो हैं, I'll teach you with one stroke. This what I am doing, it is not one stroke. This I am doing with, if you are able to see, here I am doing with 3-4 type of brushes to create this one stroke effect. But this is not one stroke. One stroke is actually a advanced level article. Is anyone doing with me? Now my face will be towards here. I'll make a half circle. I hope it is clear till here. If there is any doubt, please ask me. I'm taking the flat brush again. Creating this curve and filling it. As my brush is dry, so I'm dipping it, I'm taking a bit of water so that it moves smoothly. जो नीचे रेड कलर है उसी वही ऑटोमेटिकली ब्रश में आ गया, तो आई डोंट नीड टू पुट अ लॉट ऑफ रेड कलर इन माय ब्रश. Again, starting from here, I'll create the second stroke and fill it. Now its face will be here. I'm creating a half. Pinch of red and just merging it. You just need to give the curve for the flower. Then you need to merge it on above the white color. Guys, how many of you are interested in doing the second article? जिसका हमने कल बेस बनाया था. Because if you guys are interested, तो मैं थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी हाथ चलाऊंगा अपना. With a fine brush, I will create this stroke also. And this also. These three I'll teach you with the one stroke. Gayatri ma'am, are you there? Because if you are there, then I'll going to teach with one stroke. Gayatri ma'am, are you there? If you are there, please give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll finish in this pattern only. I don't think so. She's here. So I'll do with the straight what I was doing. Because if I teach one stroke, वो थोड़ा सा class और ले लेगा. अब its face will be towards here. Okay, you want me to show that? Okay. Let me finish this one. I'll show on the other two. Okay, guys, my door also here. Let me complete this one. I'll show on the other two. Guys, I hope you are able to understand what I have did. I hope I'm not so fast. The best part about acrylic colors is that you can recorrect it wherever you want. And after drying also you can redo. Now I'll tell you how to create the one stroke one. This is a flat brush. I hope it is visible. What I'll do is, for more than half of the brushes I will cover with white. See, is it clear? Is it visible? More than half of the brushes I have covered with white, and half I am taking red. This is called loading of the brush. In one stroke painting, this is called loading of the brush. Now what will I do is, I'll merge this. If you think your brush is not moving smooth like this, you can dip it in water, a light water, wash and then do it again. This is called loading of the brush. Again, from the white portion I am dipping in white, and from the red portion, from the slant I am giving a red, and then I am loading it again with the color. Now taking the white portion outer side and the red inner side, I'll move my brush. This is a small brush which I have taken. The main problem with the one stroke painting is it consumes a lot of color. It gives beautiful effect, but the color it takes is a lot of color is wasted in this technique. See, the color is blending. What we have done with two brushes, here one brush will do the whole thing. I am washing my brush again. Making a triangle of color in white. Is it okay? I have dipped it in white. Again I am loading my brush. Taking red, and again I have to load it. Wherever you find your brush is not moving smoothly, take it into water. My brush is fully loaded now. Whichever technique you find easy, this is the easy technique which we are doing, but obviously you can see the difference. There's a lot of difference between one stroke. Let us complete this, you will be able to see the difference. But a lot of color is wasted. See the difference. These flowers are one stroke, these flowers are done through 2 or 3 brushes, and this is done by only one flat brush. This is the difference. Now I have red color in my brush and I have to start this color, this flower, so I have to remove all the excess color from the brush. Wash it thoroughly. Then again with half white, now again as this in this portion you are not able to see white, so I have to do it separately. I'm loading it again. Here it will be starting. Then again I'm loading my brush. Your brush should contain 2 shades and the color should be very prominent. The difference should be seen. Again loading the brush. One side white, another side red. If you will see, definitely you will find one stroke more beautiful. But this is for the one who are beginners. Because one stroke, everyone cannot create one stroke painting. Now we'll take Saburine. Sorry, brown, not Saburine. I'll take brown. And I'll join these flowers. I find it difficult to work from bottle. Thank you, Sushma ma'am, for patiently attending it. First we'll be drawing the lines. Now again, like what we have done yesterday, we'll create two strokes here, one here and one here, one here and one here, and we'll be extending it. Giving a leaf kind shape. I hope you're finding the article nice. Thank you, Sushma ma'am. Sushma ma'am is the only one who's replying today. Where are my rest of the people? I think everybody is busy for Diwali celebrations, right? Now for the leaves part, we'll be mixing some yellow with the brown we already have in our palette. And I'm mixing some green also. I mixed brown, yellow and the light green to create this color. Now we create the leaves like this. We'll create a C and a reverse C. A small C and a reverse C. And then we'll fill it. I hope it is clear. A C and a reverse C. Whenever you make leaves, just keep in mind that we have to give a peak to the leaf. I hope the leaf motion is understandable. Everyone understood how I created the leaves? Wherever you want, you can create little tendrils. Roses there have these different this kind of texture. If you want, you can create somewhere, you can create these kind of thorns also, mini thorns which we have on the stick of the roses. You can create this design on kurti. This is done. How do you find today's article, guys? If you want, you can give a golden effect too. You can create a pattern, line pattern with golden. It will good, this article will get a shimmery look. just bit of golden in it. Thank you, Saloni ma'am. So today was the last day for our mega workshop. This is the article which we have done today. This was the article which was on flyer. Then this was the article which we did yesterday. And this was the article which we did on the first day. And I'm really sorry guys, ये रह गया. It is already 5, but मैं लेके बैठी थी कि इसके ऊपर भी कुछ बनाऊंगी, but now the time I'm running short of time. Maybe in the coming workshops मैं इसको complete कर दूंगी. I'll keep this paper as it is. Or in the coming workshops I'll complete it. Guys, you have to give me the submission in 3 days. You can do it on a single sheet, I don't mind. But you have to create the 3 types of patterns which I have done, which we have done in the class, and you have to submit me these articles in 3 days. And please do the submissions so that I can plan for the next workshops. क्योंकि अगर अभी रिस्पॉन्स इतना ज़्यादा ठंडा होगा तो it will be very difficult for me to take future workshops. Thank you everyone who has joined me today. I'll share the final outcome of today's article in the group as well as on the Facebook group. I'll ask my senior if I can keep the video or not and inform in the group. Thank you everyone for joining. We'll meet soon. Maybe one session I'll take before Diwali. Otherwise, we'll be meeting after Diwali. Thank you everyone for joining.